Friends, today in our country, millions of people are looking for good jobs. They are all struggling to get jobs because today's job shortage is so severe. However, many of them want to start their own businesses. But due to concerns about business costs, high investment, and lack of experience, they often ignore them. However, friends, a huge opportunity is quietly growing in rural areas. Yes, villages have both raw materials and labor, and the government supports rural businesses. Today, there are many small manufacturing machines available in the market, and with these small machines, you can set up small-scale units in your city or village and start a manufacturing business. So if you are looking for a manufacturing business that you can set up in a small factory and has a good market demand, then this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss 10 micro-factory businesses that are currently in demand in the market. However, proper planning and training are required before starting these micro-factory businesses. Friends, before that, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. So come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Herbal powder production. Nowadays, people are becoming health conscious and are moving away from chemical products, due to which the demand for herbal products like neem powder, drumstick powder and amla powder and tulsi powder is increasing in herbal shops and online markets. Moreover, herbs and plants are easily available in rural areas, hence the cost of raw materials is very low. And with a small powder mill and dryer, you can prepare and pack herbal powders. Since the herbal market is growing rapidly, not only in India but also globally, it is a good idea to start now. Number 2. Ceramic floor tile production. The construction industry in India is growing steadily and ceramic floor tiles are used in every household. Also, since land and labor are affordable, small ceramic tile units can be set up in rural areas. And not only that, raw materials like clay, minerals are also available in many rural areas. So with a mini tile manufacturing system, you can supply local construction companies and hardware stores, and local suppliers often get priority because demand is strong in many regions. Number 3. Packaging box manufacturing. Friends, if you look closely, every product is packed in some kind of box. Be it e-commerce, food delivery, electronics, everything needs packaging boxes. Moreover, corrugated box making machines are now available even on a small scale, making packaging production possible at village level. Moreover, this can become a viable small business if you build a customer base by supplying boxes to local businesses and shops. Not only that, the packaging industry is currently booming in the market, so the market is open to new suppliers. Number 4. Sanitary napkin and diaper manufacturing. Generally, the demand for sanitary products is widespread in cities, but the supply in rural areas is still limited. Therefore, the government is promoting sanitary napkins and conducting awareness programs. In this situation, you can produce napkins and baby diapers with a small semi-automatic machine. Also, by establishing a local distribution network, you can distribute to nearby cities and villages, which can potentially become a profitable manufacturing business with proper management and social impact for you. Number 5. Biomass pellets from agricultural waste. Friends, farms in villages generate a lot of agricultural waste, and it is mostly burnt. However, now this waste can be converted into biomass pellets and sold as fuel. Yes, many factories and boilers now use biomass pellets instead of coal. So you can compress crop waste into fuel pellets through a pellet making machine and then sell them to nearby factories. This business is also environmentally friendly and the raw materials are easily available in villages. Number 6. Mini cold press oil business. Today, cold-pressed oils like groundnut oil, coconut oil and mustard oil are gaining popularity not only in India but also among various people in the world because people want healthy cooking oils that are free from chemicals. Also, the seeds are easily available in rural areas, so you can have a mini cold-pressed oil machine to produce fresh oil daily and sell it in local markets, retail shops or online platforms, and larger businesses may explore export opportunities later. Yes, due to the health trend, the demand for this business is growing steadily. Number 7. Donna and paper plate making. There is a high demand for disposable Donna and paper plates in street food stalls, temples, events, and catering businesses. Moreover, machines for making Donnas and paper plates are now available in small quantities at a relatively affordable price. So you can start this production at the village level and supply it to nearby towns, as you have easy access to raw materials, paper, and leaves. And this business is simple and has a steady daily demand in the market of a highly populated country. Number 8. Daily needs manufacturing. Not only in cities but also villages, everyday household items like soaps, phenyl, floor cleaning liquid, and washing powder are used in every household. Moreover, today you can produce these items in small production units right in a village. Yes, in rural areas, the production costs are lower and the local market is readily available. Also, if your products are of good quality, small brands are also likely to sell well in local stores. This industry usually has stable demand because these are daily use products. Number 9. Ginger and garlic paste making. Hotels, restaurants, and catering services require ginger garlic paste daily, and ready-made paste saves them time. So the demand is constantly increasing. Also in rural areas, you can get ginger and garlic directly from farmers, which reduces costs. So you can make the paste using a grinding machine and a simple packaging method. Then, through local distribution, you may be able to build a stable customer base. Number 10. Clay and pottery making. India's traditional clay products such as pots, offerings, gardens, and decorative items are gaining popularity again. This is because people prefer eco-friendly products over plastic products. Not only that, clay is easily available in rural areas and skilled artisans are also available. So you can start a small manufacturing unit with pottery wheels and simple kilns. Moreover, the trend towards eco-friendly alternatives and horticulture offers strong opportunities in this market. Friends, these are just a few of the micro-factory business ideas that can be started in rural areas. For many of these businesses, the raw materials are easily available in the village. However, profitability depends on the market demand, investment, and management, which varies depending on your location. So, if you do thorough market research and have a proper plan, you can start a new business. If the environment is right and quality, even a small micro-factory can become a sustainable source of income later. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.